Packet switching is a method of data transmission where information broken into smaller packets before being sent over a network. Each packets can take a different path to reach destination where they reassemble into original message. Packet switching diagram approach refers to visual representation of how data transmitted using packet switching, typically used in teaching and documentation. It helps to understand the flow of packets between sender and receiver across a network. We have five components of packet switching diagram. First one, we have the sender. The sender is also known as source node. It's a device or application that initiates the communication over a network. The functions of the sender is to originates the data and splits the data into packets. Second, we have the packet structure and contents. In packet switching, data is divided into small units called packets before being transmitted. Each packet is independently routed across the network. Each packet includes the payload or data and the header. Next, we have routers or network nodes. In packet switch network, routers and switches are intermediate devices that help forward the packets from sender to the receiver. The responsibilities of a routers direct packets individually and dynamic router decisions. Next, we have paths. In packet switch network, paths refers to the routers that individual packets take from the sender to the receiver. The characteristic of paths, we have a network congestion, link failure, and routing decisions and load balancing. This makes the network more flexible, efficient, and fault tolerant. Lastly, we have receiver or destination node. Is the device or system that receives transmitted packets and reconstruct the original data. The responsibilities of receiver is to receive all the packets, reassemble the data, and the error checking. The packet switching diagram approach is clearly illustrates of how data broken into packets travel across a multiple network via different paths and reassemble at the destination, demonstrating the efficiency and reliability of modern digital communication.